Hello friends, this is an unboxing video of Honor Pad X9 Pro. Doing so, I will share some in-depth information of this smart tablet. Honor Pad X9 Pro has an 11.5-inch 2K LCD screen and an 8300 mAh battery with fast charging support. The tablet is powered by an Octa-core Snapdragon 685 chipset from Qualcomm. It has a metal body and runs on Android 15 with Magic OS 9.0 skin on top. It is equipped with Honor's in-house smart assistant Yo-Yo and gets an AI-backed note-taking feature as well. The tablet joins the base Honor Pad X9 model, which was unveiled in 2023. In the camera department, the Honor Pad X9 Pro has an 8-megapixel rear sensor and a 5-megapixel shooter for selfies and video calls. The tablet is equipped with a quad speaker unit, AI-backed note-taking features, and parental control tools. It supports multi-screen collaboration, enabling users to share the displays for paired smartphones on the tablet. The Honor Pad X9 Pro houses an 8300 mAh battery with support for 35 wired fast charging connectivity options include Wi-Fi 5, Bluetooth 5.0 and USB Type-C support. The tablet carries a metal body measures 267.3 into 167.4 into 6.77 mm and weight 457 gram. So friends, hope you like the video. Thank you.